How to calculate the volume of a rectangular column. To calculate the volume of a rectangular column, you first need to know the dimensions of the structure, which typically include the width, length, and height. Let's say the column has the following dimensions: width 20 centimeters, length 30 centimeters, height 3 meters. Step 1. Make sure all units are the same. Since the height is in meters, let's convert the height from meters to centimeters. Step 2. Use the formula for the volume of a rectangle. Volume equals structure width multiplied by length and height. Calculate the volume of a rectangular column. Volume equals structure width multiplied by length and height. Column width is 20 centimeters, length 30 centimeters, height 300 centimeters. So, the volume of the column is 180,000 cubic centimeters. 1 cubic meter equals 1 million cubic centimeters. 180,000 cubic centimeters equals 0.18 cubic meter.